Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Italian for Fun. I am Uncle Jack.
Anche io sono Zio Jack.
A nice presentation video was a must. This channel aims to help anyone learn a few words in Italian, but above all to do it in a fun and original way. In fact, there is a little trick that I will reveal to you at the end of the video.
Bravo! A parole sembra facile, ma siamo sicuri che funzioni?
You are right, in words it seems easy. For this reason, it is something completely different. We will use movie trailers, the most famous songs and also video games, everything to learn Italian, just like in these examples.
Oh, finalmente qualcosa di diverso. Ma spiegati meglio.
I will certainly explain to you how it works. I'll give you an example. Together we watch the trailer of a movie. We stop on the words that we find interesting and try to translate them. Some easier ones, other difficult. Furthermore, there will be a maximum of 10...
L'idea è proprio bella, ma perché questo dovrebbe aiutarmi a ricordare le parole? Non basta ripeterle 100 volte.
Right observation. But I will explain to you why it is easier to remember words this way. First of all, it's not boring like reading them 100 times. Moreover, associating words with a movie scene or music helps you remember them. The movie, for example, is dynamic, visual, auditory. All the senses are involved. It will be natural and effective.
Guarda, mi hai convinto. Ma Jack, lo vogliamo svelare il tuo segreto? I più attenti se ne saranno accorti che c'è qualcosa di strano.
In fact, there are no secrets. But just a little bit of technology. In fact, I am not speaking in English. The videos are all filmed in Italian and artificial intelligence transforms the video from Italian to English, including the movement of my lips.
Infatti mi sembrava di vederti sorridere un po' poco.
It is true, the translator sometimes takes away smiles, but I am sure that we will still manage to learn a lot of words. Moreover, I don't speak English that well. We have reached the conclusion. We will see you on our channel with one video a week. Furthermore, if you want to join our club, you can visit the site Learning Italian for Fun Club. And maybe the next movie, the next song or the next video game, it will be the one chosen by you. That's enough now. Subscribe to the channel and give a nice like, and I especially thank you for making it this far. See you.
Ciao a tutti, vi aspettiamo.